Hi guys, so welcome to and welcome back. I'm So Ronica, as you know, and I'm so ready to remind you to sow into your future. If you're interested, stay tuned. Here on today's episode of Sow Into Your Future, we are going to be doing part of the... So see y'all, that's why I wanted to be part 1, 2, and 3. I'm talking to y'all like it's y'all fault. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, let's work on the skirt first. I can't even remember. Can't remember what part we on. But I'm marinating on the ideals, etc., etc. I'm taking my time. Okay, so we're going to take this to the sewing machine. And we're going to sew this up. That's what we're doing. Yeah, look at how pretty that red lace is. But we're good. We don't need any more. We're addicted to lace. All right, I'm going to make sure I set my timer so I can at least get an hour in. But y'all know what? That timer, the noise of the timer. So after a long shift at work, especially when we're doing the never ending, all you can eat basically, the last thing I want to do is have a timer going and feel like I'm still on somebody's time clock or have a sense of urgency. So, but it's still the hour a day is to hold myself accountable for my short-term goals and my long-term goals. Sometimes we need that accountability. Did you give your hour to your craft? Did you give your hour to your talent? Sometimes I feel like we can take for granted the gifts and talents that God has given us and we don't sharpen them. You know, the Bible says iron sharpens iron. There's a reason why iron would even need to be sharpened. Okay, well maybe that don't make sense. But yeah, you have to work at it. You have to put something in. You got to sow into it. Okay, put something in order to get something out. And if you happen to get something out without putting something in, that's just the grace that you have over your life, the unmerited favor, honey. But as for me, I got to work on my craft. I got to perfect it. I got to get in the presence of God and say, God, I need you to give it to me. I did. Oh my goodness. I stitched the wrong part. Can y'all see that? Or is that a pin? I don't know. No, that's a stitch. That's a stitch. Huh. We're going to keep going. We're going to figure it out in a minute. We's going to figure it out. There's a will, there's a way. I did the back stitch to get up out of here. Slide it out. Man. And cut it. So I'm going to cut the threader, the D threader. I haven't used that thing in so long. Seam ripper. I said de-threader. The seam ripper. All right. So I'm just putting the seam ripper through. Oh, look at that. This seam ripper really, really is A1 from day one. Look at that. It's just canceling out my little mistake. And now, of course, I'm going to have to go over it with the sewing machine, the brother from another mother, to reconnect it. All right, let's see the damage. What is done? What is done? Yeah, it's just a little bit. I'm going to go over that again. I'm going to take these off for now. I'm going to take them off for now. Yeah, I'm going to end it here. Let's try this on. Well, this is awkward. This is cute. Ooh, it's perfect. It's hitting at the knee. I wanted that to be up. Okay, it is up there. Got to show that knee meat. Y'all see? Let me see. Y'all think? Okay. All right, let's start here. So this is. Now I'm gonna have to put something there. I got more stuff here. I think. Do I? Nope. I cut that all the way around. Yeah, I tried to try this dress on today. This dress is a size 10. And this is the dress that I brought to the gala thinking I was going to have if I have a wardrobe malfunction. Honey, if I would have had a wardrobe malfunction, I'd have just been up the creek without a paddle. I've been there before. So this is pretty similar. We can fill that space with this. Yes, we can. That's what I'm going to do. Cut that off and put that right there along the side. So I just got to figure out how to get rid of that. It's from the seam on the inside. I love it. It's coming along good, if I do say so myself. Okay, so it kind of feels weird with me working on the skirt and not the top. However, there's no place on the top for me to put a fringe like what's on the bottom of the skirt. But I just want to make sure that I'm not working on two separate outfits. If that, you know what I'm saying? Like I want them to be cohesive. I want it to look like it's a show enough pair. Yeah. So what I plan on doing to the skirt is boom, 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 boom. And then connecting it with the black lace. Uh-huh. Why is that looking like that? It's a lot going on back there. Let me shut up. So I want to encourage all of my seamstresses and tailors. If you make a mistake, just thank God for the mistake. Thank God that you are here to see a mistake. Okay? Because you're going to get past it. You're going to make garments that you can be proud of, that you can have confidence in. And have fun the whole journey learning. Okay? Suck in that gut. Pose. I didn't put no lotion on the feet. I'm fresh out the shower, y'all. And I literally got dressed so that I wasn't in a bathrobe. And I'm sure you'll see the bathrobe again. I started my sewing journey out in the bathrobe, now that I think about it. Thanks for watching.